How you doing?
Hey, you post that?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, Florida Mark.
What is it?
Florida Mark.
Florida Mark.
You local or out of town?
Fort Lauderdale.
Oh,
So, 3
not
hours.
bad.
Yeah.
Pass holder.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Well, we
same
just
here.
became pass holders.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. So it's like our first official trip as pass holders. So we're excited.
That's awesome.
Yeah. You too?
You got Guardians yet?
No, but the line is 2 hours, so
Yeah.
I don't know if we'll do it.
Yeah, it's definitely worth it.
It is,
the
right?
first time, yeah. You never did it.
I mean, we've been here hundreds of times, but we still haven't gone on that ride yet.
I rode it 21 times.
Oh my gosh. Don't tell my husband, he's jealous. He's been on Guardians 21 times.
Voilà, venez.
I know,
Suivez-moi, je vous prie. Shazam is waiting for you. This way.
This way.
Oh, here they are, baby. Les invités pour le dîner.
Pour le repas idéal, en commun? Non. Simple omelet? Too simple. What? Mais oui, that's it! Cette nourriture est pour nos invités, pas pour vous. Hey guys, the food is for them, not you.
Et oui, what are you doing? Que manigancez-vous?
Dirty water.
Dépêchez-vous, par ici.
Come on! Remy's kitchen's just around the corner! Oui, on est presque arrivé à la cuisine de Remy!
Trois entrecôtes pour la 12. Une à point, une bleue et une saignante. Il va aussi me falloir rapidement 4 ratatouilles pour la table. Oui, ma chérie. Hey, thanks for coming, everyone. Vous serez toujours les bienvenus chez Remy. À bientôt et bon appétit. Emile. Au revoir.
Never for you. Right this way. You are always welcome at Bistro Chez Remy. Au revoir.
I know. That was fun. Hello, did you see that line? We were in there for an hour. You want to go back in that line? Oh, hello, little rat. We're waiting for them to open up some space for us. Oh, go backwards. Look it up. And those Christmas lights.
You guys have a good one.
Day.